Hello, this is Kiamond and let's go to another tutorial video. A fantasy and lightweight pendant. Okay, let's start. Create a circle by diameter 25. Use a vertical line by 2 mm. Then create a horizontal line by 4 on both sides. Draw an arc on curve. Delete axillary lines. Select 2 curves and sweep one. Click on shaded. Delete the curve and reveal the surface. U10 and V5 is enough. Turn control points on and in front view select points like me. To 3D scale, that's enough. Then select another point. In perspective view, use gimbal and rotate a bit. Check it. That's good. In top view, rotate to be on an axis. Good. Reveal the surface again, U40 and V10. Or 12. Yes, it's better. Create a new layer and in curve menu extract wireframe. Group the curves, then rounded pipe. Consider pipes by radius 0.3 mm. Very good. I want to put a row of gems on it. So use an ISO curve on surface. Then pipe it by 0.7. I create a pipe to use an intersection between surface and pipe. You can use offset curve on surface also. Change the layer and rebuild it. Then loft 2 curves and create a surface. Hide main surface and show pipes. Offset surface to near the pipes. Loose yes and solid no. Delete main and extract ISO curve on mid of surface. Kiamond curve and adjust it. Then add prongs and adjust them. Remove these two prongs. Delete this curve. Offset surface by 0.65 on solid, yes. You see the poly surface not correct. Hide them, explode and join to correct this poly surface. Fillet edge by radius 0.12 mm. Perfect. Select two last curves and change their colors. Select this and drag with gumball and hold Ctrl at the same time to extrude. Very good. Do for this curve like previous. After that, offset surface by 0.3 on both sides. Fillet these edges too and finish. Everything looks good. You can create any shape like this only with change points and wireframes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.